Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD Forex setups for today. Bob Wire, there's no other way about this. Last week's tails the upside, tails the downside. We are buyers coming in, but as I explained yesterday, we've got a massive weekly and monthly and probably yearly level of support here. So it's going to take a huge effort to break through that. So for me at the moment, this is confusion. We don't really know what's going on. I'm just going to delete that diagonal. A clever thing to do. That's the break you need to wait for a long, and that's the bottom side of this range. So we are ranging. There's no two ways about that. You look at the 3-hour moving averages, they are flat. So there's nothing worth trading there. And when we get down to the hour, we are above and below the moving averages, but still respecting the 150 EMA. So 150 EMA is a downward trend. So it's still respecting that, although we are forming a series of lower highs and higher lows. So triangle formation kind of in a range. And in amongst the moving averages. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is sideways. It is going nowhere. It is not worth getting involved in. You can see above and below the moving averages on the 15-minute, complete confusion. No idea where we're going. So I am sitting on the sides, really not interested in trying to second guess a range. And we need to break through the highs of either yesterday or Friday and build a base on that for the longs. I'm not looking at shorts at the moment. So when I come to the daily, definitely not looking at shorts just yet. We'd have to drop below 10600. So we drop below 106 and come back and test it, then I would argue for shorts. But at the moment, this is just looking like it's building for something. Whether it's going to be a move to the upside or a move to the downside, that's the question that we have to wait to be answered, because you're not going to get that at the moment. But for as long as we are drifting sideways like this, you don't want to be trying to second guess it and try and get in to think you're going to make money, because you're just going to lose money. And there is a gap lower down here at 105,775, and there's another gap further down and another gap further down. So there's a whole host of gaps further down, all the way back to October 2023. So October last year. You can see the structure here, all the gaps. Yeah, so that's kind of me. I really don't like losing money, and if you're going to jump in on this and try and second guess it, there's no meaningful direction at the moment, so you're more than likely going to lose money. So it's just not worth it. Anyway, so I'm sitting on the sides. We'll wait until we get some fairly decent structure, whichever direction that's going to be. But I want us to be above the moving averages for the longs. We are below for shorts, but I just don't like the structure we have, not with the support we have below us. So we will sit back and wait. Hope it helps you, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.